In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook Messenger, then tap right here at Menu. Tap at Gear to open up Settings, then tap at Privacy and Safety, and that's where we can easily find an option which is called Blocked Accounts. If we get into it, it will show us the list of all the accounts we have blocked. To unblock an account, we need to tap on it, then tap at Unblock on Facebook, unblock. After a couple of seconds, the account is unblocked. That's how you can easily unblock someone on Facebook Messenger.